Hey, buddy.
Yes?
What's a Four Loko?
Have a seat. Four Loko is a tall can of alcohol, caffeine, and artificial flavors that gets you extremely drunk.
So like a Bailey's and coffee.
When would someone want to drink that?
After a divorce, mainly. But sometimes at high school and frat parties.
What's it taste like?
Why don't we find out together? Come on. Here we have a fruit punch that kind of tastes like battery acid, a fan favorite gold, which tastes a little bit like chemotherapy juice, and watermelon that tastes like watermelons, harvested in 1986 Chernobyl. So, what do you say we start with the battery acid? Yeah. So you guys think you get the picture?
I feel great!
Me too. I love it.
Yeah!
I feel like I could sledgehammer a mailbox.
Like I can drive into a farmer's market!
Let's go to a metal concert. I could fight a grizzly bear.
Right, grizzly bear, baby!
Let's jump off the Grand Canyon.